every matter will reach its settled end. The phrase, Kullu Amrin Mustaqir, is part of verse 3 of the Quran. But they denied and followed their desires, and every matter has its appointed end. Translation: and they denied the truth and followed their own desires, and every matter has a fixed time and final outcome. Literal meaning: Kullu, meaning every. Amrin, matter, affair, or issue. Mustaqir, settled, established, reaching its conclusion. Concept: this verse means that every event and affair in this world eventually reaches its destined outcome. Truth and falsehood both reveal their final results in time. Human actions, choices, and behavior are never without consequence. The decrees of Allah unfold at their appointed time. Explanation by commentators. Some classical commentators such as Ibn Kathir and Al-Tabari explained that every promise, warning, and prophecy has an appointed time. The day of judgment, reward and punishment, and the triumph of truth will all occur at their destined moment. Spiritual reflection. This verse inspires patience, certainty, and responsibility. Oppression does not last forever. Good deeds are never wasted. Every action ultimately brings its result.